Forgotten username recovery failed on Crowdcube Fix. If you've tried to recover your Crowdcube username and the process keeps failing, you're not alone. This is one of the most common login issues for long-time investors, and most people get it wrong because they don't realize how Crowdcube's login system has evolved. The surprising truth is that Crowdcube has moved away from using separate usernames altogether. In most cases, your email address is now your primary login ID. That's why the forgot username recovery option often doesn't work. It's no longer needed. Here's how to fix it quickly. Step 1. Go to the Crowdcube login page and simply enter your email address instead of your old username. If the system recognizes it, you'll be prompted for your password. Step 2. If you can't remember which email you used, search your inbox for old messages from Crowdcube. Any confirmation emails, investment receipts, or updates from them will show your registered address. Step 3. If the recovery still fails, use the Forgot Password tool instead. It's designed to send a reset link to your registered email. That's often the easiest way to confirm your account still exists. And step 4. If none of that works, contact Crowdcube support. Explain that your forgotten username recovery failed and include your full name and possible registered email addresses. They can verify your identity and manually restore access. Most users assume their account has been deleted, but that's rarely the case. Crowdcube systems are secure, and your data remains intact. You just need to log in using the right credentials. So don't waste time searching for an old username that no longer matters. Focus on your email. That's your real key to unlocking your Crowdcube account today.